Did you know that something as simple as attaching a slice of onion to the branch of a tree could protect and nourish it at the same time? Here's how it works. First, take a fresh onion and cut a thick slice. Onions are rich in natural sulfur compounds, which are well known for their antifungal and antibacterial properties. Next, place that slice against the trunk or branch of your tree. This allows the onion's natural juice to come into contact with the bark. As the juice slowly absorbs, it begins fighting harmful fungi and bacteria that can cause disease and rot. Now, bind the slice securely with garden tape or a piece of rope. This keeps the onion pressed firmly against the tree so the healing compounds can transfer effectively. Over time, the onion acts almost like a natural wound dressing, protecting the bark from infection and helping it heal. But the benefits don't stop there. As the onion breaks down, it releases minerals like potassium and phosphorus into the bark, giving your tree a gentle dose of natural fertilizer. This helps strengthen the trunk, improves overall resilience, and even supports new growth. So with just one onion slice, you're protecting, healing, and feeding your tree naturally. No chemicals needed. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more natural gardening ideas.